good evening to everyone. It's me, Sanet again. Welcome back to my channel. This evening, I would like to share to all of you how to make this simple bracelet using garter. And if you want to learn how to make these simple things, and if you want to know how to insert the garter inside, just pick to the holes. Please join me until the project is done. This one is another project. This is our beads. Yeah, the size is 10O. Our materials is this one, beads. And our garter, the size of our garter is 1 mm. This garter is a little bit big. It's not easy to insert to the hole of your when you make it double. When you make double your garter, because we want a little bit stronger, so we make double our garter. So how we can put inside, how we can insert our garter to the small holes. This is the technique. We must have our yarn, a small one. This is the technique of we insert first this small yarn inside like that, as you shown to the video. And we insert the garter, make it sure this is even the size like that, and we pick up the center and we insert like that. Now this is our center that you can see. We insert to the other yarn, and this is our bead. So now the garter is inserted to our, you can see, not see, I inserted inside, and the small yarn can help us to pass through to the small holes of our beads, so that we want the garter is a little bit strong, so we insert like that, space like that, and continue our works. Inserted all beads inside, and then afterwards we adjust that one a little bit slowly so that the garter won't spoil it. We no need to use the cloths because we use only garter. Choose what kind of size you want, especially if you have a shop or you have selling things like this, and then you can adjust the size. You can adjust the size of the beads and the sizes of your bracelet also. We can mix and match also if you want. See, as big as that. Now you can make a square knot. After you done, you can make the square knot. Now we make the square knot so that the beads won't come out. So we patient making the square knot to our bracelet. Yan po ang gagawin po natin. Square knot lang po natin para hindi po lumabas yung o mag-come out yung mga beads po natin. At
Yan po yung procedure natin kapag hindi tayo gagamit ng clutch. Yung garter lang yung gagamitin natin. I-secure po natin na wag mag-come out yung ating mga beads. So just 2 to 3 times making square knot.
This is our bracelet. It's done already. You can see. That's our bracelet. Yeah. And you can choose you can choose how big your bracelet. Yeah. This is our bracelet. So hope you enjoy to my video. And that's only the technique. Hope you enjoy and hope you learn regarding about this one. Our beautiful bracelet is done. So if you have any question regarding about this one, please comment down below. I answer as I can. If you enjoy and learn how to make this one, kindly please like and subscribe. And see you to my next video. Good evening to everyone.